There's a plant that actually works while you sleep. No noise, no electricity, just real benefits. It's called the snake plant. Most plants stop helping at night, but this one is different. It keeps releasing oxygen even in the dark, helping you breathe cleaner air while you rest. And here's something most people don't realize. The air inside your home isn't always clean. Things like paint, furniture, and electronics slowly release invisible chemicals into the air. You can't see them, but they can affect your sleep, energy, and even cause headaches. The snake plant helps reduce some of these toxins while you go about your day or sleep. Even NASA has listed it as one of the best air purifying plants. But the best part? It's almost impossible to kill. Forget to water it? It's fine. Low light? No problem. It just keeps growing. You can place it in your bedroom, on your desk, or in an empty corner. It instantly makes the space feel fresher and more alive. A few dollars, zero effort, long-term benefits. This isn't just a plant. It's a simple upgrade to your home and your health. If you enjoyed this, follow for more DIY home tips.